Law 6. Court attention at all cost. Everything is judged by its appearance. What is unseen counts for nothing. Never let yourself get lost in the crowd, then, or buried in oblivion. Stand out. Any cost. Society craves larger than life figures, people who stand above the general mediocrity. Never be afraid then of the qualities that set you apart and draw attention to you. Controversy, even scandal, it is better to be attacked, even slandered, than ignored. It just goes to show that really owning who you are and going 100% all in who you are and not giving a shit can court great attention to you, which can give you great power. As the Duke did, as Tyrion did in Game of Thrones. One is real, one is not, both are relevant to the point. Our story of Edison illustrates this point once again. Now, Edison would create, amazing, dazzling experiments to display his discoveries with electricity. He'd talk and boast about future inventions that seemed amazing and breakthrough for the time. Robots, machines, that could photograph thought. And he would talk about all these future inventions, and this would get the public talking about him. He did everything he could to make sure he received more attention than his rival, Nikola Tesla, who actually arguably may have been more brilliant and talented than Edison, but was far less known. In 1915, it was rumored that Edison and Tesla would be joint recipients of the year's Nobel Prize in Physics, and the prize was eventually not given to either of them. And it was later discovered that the committee had actually approached Edison, but he had turned them down, refusing to share the prize with Tesla. But by that time, his fame was more secure than Tesla's, and he thought it would be better to refuse the honor than allow his own rival the attention that would have come from even sharing the prize. If you find yourself in a lowly position that offers little opportunity for you to draw attention, an effective trick is to attack the most visible, most famous, or most powerful person you can find. Once in the limelight, you must constantly renew it by adapting or varying your method of courting attention. If you don't, the public will grow tired, will take you for granted, and move on to a newer star. And that point right there illustrates half the celebrities that have ever existed. Ever. In the time we live now, it's very easy to become a celebrity. Quote unquote celebrity, someone who is known amongst someone who is known, who's a household name. You could be on Vine, you could be on Instagram, you could be on whatever. But the majority of celebrities are forgotten in 6 months, I've forgotten in a year. As we, humanity people, with our very short attention span, move on to the next shiny thing. So the game of attention requires vigilance and creativity. Picasso never allowed himself